Welcome back to our channel Think Beyond the Brain. Today we will learn today we will learn 9 amazing facts about Earth. So first we do only about animals. So there is a new thing we will do about Earth. So before starting video, please like, share and subscribe and tap the bell icon for future video notification. So we'll start now. The first point, the day are getting longer. The length of the day before 4.6 billion years ago, it is only roughly 6 hours long. By 620 million years ago, this had increased to 21.9 hours. So after every century, century means 100 years. So after every century, the 1.7 milliseconds seconds upgrade. So today, the average day is 24 hours long, but it is increasing by about 1.7 milliseconds. So second point, Earth's gravity isn't the same everywhere on Earth. If the earth were smooth and perfect, gravity would be the same everywhere. But the earth has mountains, oceans, valley and other feature things, so it cannot. The difference in gravity across the earth are called gravity anomalies. So if you are in China and you throw apple from a high place with the same height, in India you throw apple, it is not same time when it fall down. This mission called a grace. Third point. The driest place on earth is near the ocean. The Atacama Desert is northern Chile, is the driest place on the earth. But it is only near the ocean, which name is Pacific Ocean. It is said that a city there went their people tell there is no rain until the 400 years ago. And yet, this desert is right next to a biggest body of water on earth, the Pacific Ocean. That ocean name is Pacific Ocean. Do you know what they say now? The water, but there is no drop of rain or to drink water. Fourth point, Earth isn't perfectly round. Earth is thicker around the equator, the belt around. In the middle part, it is 0.3% of thicker. How much thicker? Well, it is about only 0.3%. It is not very thin. It is not too much thicker. So when you see a photo or image on Google or phone, Earth is appear around. You cannot see because it is barely not. If you use microscope or telescope, you can see it. Fifth point. The sun won't shine forever. Hey, don't worry. The sun isn't going anywhere for a very long time. But the thing is, the whole universe lasts forever and every. Our sun will run out of energy in about 5 billion years. If any person or human see that they cannot live in earth, they have to leave the earth. But we are lucky. It happens once in 5.4 billion years. So if happened, we are ready for that. There are more 5.4 billion years to plan for that. Sixth point, 1 year on earth isn't 365 days. It's actually 2,564 days. This extra 2.2564 days that creates the needs for a leap year, which comes in February. Every after 4 years, the February 29 come leap year once. Every 4 years. That's why we tack on any extra day in February. Every 4 years, like 2004, 2008, and 2012, etc. So there is not perfectly 365 days in 1 year. There are 365 days, 0.2564. So I don't know it is hours or minutes. Seventh point. Earth is 4.5 billion years old. How do we know this? In order to find out of the age of Earth, scientists look at the rock and sediments and see it is 4 billion past rock. So the Earth recycle it and repair the rock by magma and sediments and try to determine the age of the piece of sediments. It's not an essay or it is not a story. It is real thing as one many think. However, this process of plate tectonics means that the earth is constantly recycling their rocks. If we break it and we see it after years, it will be neat and clear because the earth recycle it down into magma in the interior before pumping it back up to the surface once. The scientists found a old rock they discovered from the Australia 4.5 billion years, and it basic for a scientist estimation for Earth age. There is 4 billion years, so you can think how many birthday cake for the Earth. 8 point Antarctica. Did you know that Antarctica is actually considered a desert? Inner region yet just 2 inch 50 millimeters of preparation. There is only rain of 2 inches because that's why we consider it desert. Of of participation a year as a snow, of course. So there is no rain, but there is very much snow. Despite Antarctica's desert like climate, it is also contain 70% of earth fresh water and 90% of earth ice. So there is ice in first layer and down there is all the water of earth, fresh water. Ninth and the last point, that the calm before the storm. So they are very hot and calm before the storm. So we can know it will become storm. It's not a just joke and old wives. 10. Under the right condition, the calm before the storm really does exist. So sometimes there is calm, but there is no storms. So this happened very rarely as a storm draws in warm moist air. It's fuel from the surrounding atmosphere. It leaves a lots pressure area behind air. It's carried up to the 16 kilometers up and 10 miles speed of air up to the storm clouds and pressure after behind the air. Some of this force upwards by powerful drafts. These updrafts are called storms. If there is very slowly storm scheme, it's called breeze. Some of this force upwards by a powerful drafts remove the hot air and push it out of the sides of the higher storm cloud. In the earth, there is higher storm clouds is the 16 kilometer up and speed is 10 miles of air. So the points are over. Thank you for watching our video till end. Today we learn about 9 amazing facts about Earth. If you want more amazing facts about anything, you can comment us. So thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe and tap the bell icon for future video notification.